Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the hardware recognized. Plug the keyboard and mouse into a USB port or put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. Wait for the indicator to confirm. Once done, install drivers or firmware updates from the vendor when prompted, because updated firmware fixes latency and compatibility. Make sure to open the operating system's input settings, set pointer speed, key repeat rate, and primary mouse button so that both feel responsive and predictable as you start using them. You now customize controls for efficiency. Use the vendor app to remap keys and mouse buttons and save a profile for productivity or gaming so you can switch quickly. Also adjust DPI in sensible steps such as 400, 800, or 1600, higher for fast cursor movement, lower for precision. Once done, record macros for repetitive actions and enable OS accessibility features if you need larger key repeat delays or sticky keys. You finish by validating performance across real tasks. Test typing in a document and move the cursor in several apps and on different surfaces to confirm consistent tracking. If you experience lag or dropped input, make sure to repair Bluetooth devices or replace rechargeable cells, then update drivers. If problems persist, reset the device to its factory profile and reconfigure. This often resolves conflicts. If none of that works, contact vendor support with firmware version and device ID ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.